Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2023 Dodge Charger. This will work 2015 to 2023. I just changed the oil on this car for its first time and it's time to reset the oil. So let me show you guys how. We're going to put the car to the run position but not started, so don't push the brake. All we're going to do is push the engine start button until we get to the run. Once we are in run, your menu screen will come up. Now we want to get to the menu setting for the 2. So we're going to go up or down. So we're on speedometer, that's 1. We're going to go down till we get to 2. Once we are in 2, vehicle info, we're going to hit the right arrow till we get to the oil life. There you go. We are at 29%. This car has 4,000 miles, so the indicator must be set for 5,000 miles or so. So now to reset it, all you're gonna do is hold the OK button for a couple seconds and our oil life is reset. If you wanna see how to change the oil in this car or other stuff, just check out the links in my description below or on my channel. But that's really it for this. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.